What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys the speed art of how I create a YouTube banner for Nigeria popular YouTuber Taiwan. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the like button and consider subscribing to this channel because it's all about graphics and art. So if you like that, you can leave me a sub and watch the end of the video guys. Stay tuned.